Hello YouTube, it's your trusted guide from Eager to Abroad Immigration Consultancy, back with another update. Today, we're navigating the labyrinth of the UK dependent visa policy changes. Fasten your seatbelts, as this journey might get a tad bumpy. First on the agenda, the not so good news. The government is mulling over a proposal to limit the number of dependents that foreign care workers can bring to the UK. Yes, you understood that correctly. They might only be able to bring one family member now, so it's less of family reunions and more of a solo journey. Possibly. We'll see how this unfolds. Next up, brace yourselves, lovebirds. The government is contemplating introducing an income threshold test for spouses and partners applying for dependent visas. This implies your better half needs to have a certain annual income to be eligible. So it might be time to reconsider your bohemian dreams, unless of course you're quite content living on love and a shoestring budget. And the changes just keep rolling in. The government is also considering restricting the ability of international students to bring dependents with them. This could mean bidding adieu to your supportive parents or encouraging siblings during your studies. Talk about added pressure. But wait, don't start scouting for flights just yet. There is a flicker of hope. These are merely proposals at this stage. There are consultations to be held, debates to be won, and parliamentary hurdles to be crossed. So, don't abandon hope just yet. In the meantime, it's vital to keep abreast of developments. Follow reliable sources, network with other dependent visa applicants, and make sure your voice is heard. Get in touch with your local MP, share your experiences, and remind the government that families are important. These decisions shouldn't be taken in isolation. And there you have it, folks. The UK dependent visa scene is shifting, and it's not for the faint-hearted. However, remember, we're all in this together. Stay strong, stay informed, and fight for the right to be with our loved ones. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop your thoughts on these changes in the comments below. Keep the conversation alive.